Okay, hello YouTube. I am an anonymous video recorder. This is my 2012 Kink launch. It's sexy. Inmate Navy. You should get it. It's very nice. Well, I added parts to it. I have shadow grips. It's badass. A subversive hold on stem. Along with the shadow seat. It's badass. Don't be jealous. Don't be haters. Kink's super stump post. Shadow pedals. I am getting blue ones. Along with a white stone revolver rim, a white demolition cassette, rogue cassette hub, and white and blue spokes. That's gonna look nice. Instead of all gay black. Yeah. They epically failed at these rims. That's my bike, so yeah. Comes with basically all mission parts when you buy it. It's got the Kink decimal sprocket, which is pretty nice. Yeah. It's got the nasty ass kind of contact tires. They look like fucking shit. Along with these gay ass Alienation PBR single walled rims for your back rim. That's why I'm buying a custom rim. Yes, this is a gay bar gate. Some of the parts on it are gay. The mission parts. And single walled rims. And tires. Tires are extremely gay. They're like a broken orgasm. Goodbye.